let's put Trust Wallet on your phone. I'm going to put a video over there so that you can follow on my computer what I'm doing on my phone so we can get Trust Wallet on your phone. Let's do this. On your phone, scroll down to the description of this video and click on the link that says Get Trust Wallet here. That will bring you to the place that you see over there now. So you'll see you've got the App Store, Google Play or Android. Choose the one that is applicable to you. For me, it's going to be Google Play. Click on that. So I'm just going to say install and that will start installing. We're waiting for a download. Now that it's ready, click on open. That will bring you to Trust Wallet. As you can see, create a new wallet. Then when you're done reading them, you can come all the way to the bottom, click the I've read and accepted terms of service, and then you say continue at the bottom. Here you will create a passcode. I'm obviously gonna blur it, so my wallet, come on. Okay, anyway, let's do that, and there we are. Confirm the code, and once you've confirmed the code, now this is very important. Let's back up your Trust Wallet. Now, as it reads, in the next step, you will see secret 12 phrase words that allows you to recover a wallet. These 12 words are incredibly important. Grab a pen and paper. Here's my pen, here's my paper. I am ready to write it down. Here it says, in the next step, you will see the words. If I lose my will be lost forever. If I expose or share my secret phrase to anybody of my funds, it can get stolen and trust will never ever reach out or ask for it. Now this might seem a bit excessive, so make sure you tick all of those boxes. And before we continue, we need to talk about this. The reason why they do this is at the moment, it seems like most wallets have their security under control. And it seems like at the moment there are more problems with people getting hacked on their local device than actual companies getting hacked. So the hackers aren't going after the companies anymore, they're coming for this. So make sure that you keep your 12-word recovery phrase away from your phone or from your computer on a piece of paper somewhere where only you know where it is. So that's why they're going this far. Anyway, click on continue at the bottom and it will show you your secret phrase. My goodness. Okay, make sure you've got this. I'm going to write this down quickly. Okay, there we go. So we just did that. Click on copy to make sure it keeps it on, well, your clipboard. You can paste it somewhere later, but it's better to actually just write it down so you've got it on paper. Click on continue. Verify the phrase. What they will do now is they will say, okay, so tap the words, put them next to each other in the correct order. If you didn't write them down, you've got to go back and write them down. Let's do this. And there we go. It says, well done. You've remembered your words and they're on the right order. Okay, cool. Press done. Right there, Trust Wallet is set up. You can carry on. And the arrow that takes you out of that will tell you your wallet was created successfully. Click on done. I don't like to enable that. I just closed out of that. And right there, you can see that your Trust Wallet was set up. Now for an in-depth tutorial of how to use Trust Wallet, click over there.